restrooms.
Okay. Not yet.
The second floor is not current.
That's all right.
The 3 bedrooms, carpet tile, and we have a kitchen. Here's a common kitchen. This stacks, same exact upstairs.
Okay.
The handicap rooms, the one in front, same on the third.
Okay.
That room is the same on the third, and then we gotta go and see these.
Standard.
Yeah. This is your kitchen here, and then your vanities here, shower stall.
Okay.
Those are going to be, they'll be glass.
Okay.
And these are on this side. All this. And bathrooms down here. Watch your step.
Thanks.
There. Same showers.
Yep. Okay. Standard, easy, nothing too tricky.
No.
Okay,
There's a lot of it.
yeah. It's, I love coming out to look at it first because you never know. I looked at a job yesterday at the Hershey Med Center, a new lab. The whole ceiling is covered in pipes and vents, or all kinds of stuff. So
You have to wipe it all down.
Yeah. I'm like, so glad I looked at that.
So like I said, the middle rooms, this is 207 and 306.
Okay.
206, 306, 207, 307. These are the same as that one right over there.
Okay.
You can go in and just
Okay.
here's.
Hi.
I'm just looking at her, that's all. She's making my day.
Glad I could make someone's day. That's good.
What am I going to do?
See, I'm making her feel good.
Come on, Melanie. I'll make her feel good. I think I did a job, really.
Oh, yeah.
Elevator, 3 floors.
All right.
What's up, Dave?
Hi.
How's it going, young Jack?
Oh, it's going great.
Watch your step.
Thanks. And another one.
There's a casework here.
Yeah.
Hard to see.
Yeah, under all the boxes. You can see it. Okay.
Carpet tile. Doesn't smoke even.
Good cushion. Dust, maybe? Does the dust trigger that if the air's saturated? Huh. Oh yeah, I see that. A little, looks like a little shower cap.
Yeah. I think it's battered back, but they must be bad.
Yeah, I think you're right.